17 years living off fruits and vegetables, and this is what happened. Pleasure to have you here. My name is Eduardo Corassa, most known in Brazil as Dr. Corassa, for being a clinical nutritionist that defends a natural hygiene lifestyle. That means health through healthful living. No supplements, no drugs, just living a healthy lifestyle can actually not just prevent disease, but it can also revert disease. And I reversed my diabetes, 2 surgeries, and a lot of other health issues just following a healthy lifestyle. So stay until the end to learn more how 17 years living off raw foods changed my life. I was sick, diabetic, about to do a back surgery, a nose surgery. I was always with fever, colds, runny nose, a lot of allergy, a lot of intestinal issues like bloating, gassing, constipated. So I was in a really bad situation, although I looked healthy because I started lifting weights and, eating better, what I thought it was better back then. So I knew I was sick and I decided to change my whole life because I saw in raw foods a chance to get cured, a chance to get healed. And this is what happened after 16 years of living primarily off fruit. Even I don't actually grasp and don't believe nowadays. After 16 years, like eating primarily fruit, does that, doesn't make you sick or like weak or anemic or anything? No. Stay tuned so you understand a little bit more. First of all, I'm more neurological capable. Yes, my psychological health is a lot better. I can better socialize. I'm more emotionally stable, emotionally stronger, and I can socialize and empathize for people a lot better. I have more, not just more control, but way more in tune with my emotions. I never had depression or anxiety anymore. Although I never had depression back then, it's quite common for a 40-year-old to have gone through even a small period of depression. I have never, and no anxiety whatsoever. I had anxiety back then and not anymore. So I'm not just more psychologically healthy, but more neurological healthy. I have better coordination, I'm better in learning, I'm better in retaining my memory, I'm better in sports. It's unbelievable what a raw food and a hygienic lifestyle can do to your neurological system. My reproductive system works better. I have better libido. My testosterone is always in the high ends of the limit of the laboratory for the physiological ranges. I have better erections. I can hold on to orgasms a lot more. I feel way more pleasure in sex and feel way more drive, more prone to go forward to have sex, to find a partner, like a healthy drive, right? Not a pervert drive. But still, what we know about science is that fruits and vegetables provide better spermatogenesis, better creation of new spermatozoids, but also there's even vitamin C in the sperm, but also helps reverse or attenuate erectile dysfunction. Health-wise, I have reversed my diabetes, I have reversed my back pain, I have reversed my constipation, I have reversed my allergic and nose diseases, like I couldn't breathe through one of the nostrils. I was so allergic, always sneezing, always pretty sensitive to any changes in the weather. So for 16 years, I have no symptom whatsoever of any diseases that I had previously and any diseases that should be coming as I'm approaching 40. So I see that raw food diet have made me way much more resistant to disease, but also way more capable of doing anything I want, like have more mental clarity and acuity, be more creative, be more intelligent, be more productive, and being happier than I ever been in my entire life. So I'm pretty glad to have found raw foods and natural hygiene lifestyle, because it's not just about the diet. For sure, a great part of contribution is the diet, but I also sleep early. I exercise every day. That's one of the reasons that fruits and vegetables helps a lot, because here is the perfect fuel for we have energy to exercise every day. Because here with these you can reverse insulin resistance and then generate ATP normally as we should. So you have a lot of energy to exercise. I'm better at sports as well. I was a really low performance kid when I was young. Low performance in sports and low performance at school. I couldn't see myself writing 10 books as I did nowadays. I have 10 books published. I'm about to publish my 10th book. I created a company. I have several jobs within nutrition, and I even take care of myself, have some dates now and then, and also take care of my garden. There's like almost going for 350 trees. So that's a lot, and I can do a lot, and I can be a lot more productive at work and with my career, with my life, just because I'm healthy. So this is what 16 years living off fruits and vegetables did to me. Did the best thing I could ever imagine: perfect health. So do you like the video? Give it a thumbs up, comment below, share. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for notifications. And also, if you want my help as a nutritionist, I can help you out with online consultations. I have almost 10 books published, one already translated to English on Amazon. We run retreats always January and July here in Brazil, and I also have 6 online courses, but in Portuguese still. Want to know more? Click these videos.